We're here. Ang dami ng Swiftie rito, guys. Hey Swiftie, so dito kami guys sa Mall of Asia sa Amphitheater. So, unfortunately medyo mura lang na konti. Pero later on, magsimula na yung show dito na makikita nyo dito sa party rito. Ayan. Marami na excited right now, pero kahit umuulan, tuloy pa rin naman kami. So, later on, meron kami mga updates na bibigay sa inyo. Hey guys, so sobrang happy dito sa Taylor Swift event dito sa Mall of Asia sa Amphitheater. Ang daming Swift rito. Thank you all sa nagpunta. Experience today.
It's good, yeah. It's my birthday here in the Philippines. I'm from the US.
Yeah. Last year, di ba nag-perform ka Singapore?
Yeah. I am the opening act for the Eras Tour.
Ay, kumusta naman yung last year kayo si Bright Now? Talaga so good.
Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Tagalog na bigla.
Yeah.
Enjoy ba kayo?
So proud ka yan.
I'm excited to perform it tomorrow.
What's your name? Clea. Super Swiftie ang outfit niya. Very showgirl ngayon. What's your favorite track so far?
May
Favorite track?
track dito, yung
Eldest daughter. Oh my God.
Ken,
Ilan taon ka na Swiftie?
Since nakikinig, reputation ako naging fan talaga. Pero dati pa ako nakikinig sa
Dati na. Okay. So ngayon sa PS12, dalawa pa showgirl. Ano yung paborito mong track?
So far, Opalite.
Oh, palike, no? How are you?
I'm feeling good and excited. Yeah.
Taga saan ka?
I'm from Valenzuela. Hello, girl.
Okay, no? So what's your favorite track so far?
So far, it's still enchanted because of the glitters and all coloring and the magic of that song. That's my favorite.
Alright. So where you from?
QC!
QC, ikaw?
Malabon.
Malabon. And what's your favorite track sa Dalay Papa Showgirl?
Elizabeth Taylor!
Kinikinig pa talaga siya. Sa'yo ay?
Eldest daughter!
Eldest daughter! Ako, paborito ko dyan, Opalite. Ako. Hello!
hello po.
Where are you from?
San Mateo rin.
Sa mga Rizal. And your favorite right now, yung outfit mas birthday, Swift. Dalay Papa Showgirl, what's your favorite?
1-8. From The Light of a Showgirl featuring
Mobile Carpenter?
Ang galing pa.
Yan lang, right now.
Number 9 talaga yun yung